Harvard tells students gender can change from day to day. The Office of BGLTQ Student Life at Harvard University has released a new school-sponsored guide telling students to fight transphobia and get the facts about gender diversity. The flyer that was handed out to students on campus asserts that there are more than two sexes and that gender is fluid and changing, often fluctuating on a daily basis. Okay, first things fucking first. BGLTQ just means LGBTQ, but they need to do it their own way at Harvard because they're very important. The Office of BGLTQ Student Life at Harvard University has released a new school-sponsored guide telling students to fight transphobia and get the facts about gender diversity. The guide, which was distributed to students on campus, declares that there are more than two sexes and that gender is fluid and changing, adding that someone's gender identity can be affirmed and/or expressed in many ways, and can even change from day to day. Are there no fucking biologists handy? This is Harvard, for fuck's sake. Go and tap one on the shoulder. There isn't more than two sexes, that's fucking bullshit. And as for genders, you can have as many genders as you fucking want, because they're a figment of your imagination anyway. Sex assigned at birth and gender identity are not necessarily the same, the flyer begins, elaborating that anatomical characteristics may not always align with gender identity, gender expression, sexual orientation, hormonal makeup, physical anatomy, and/or how one is perceived in daily life. No one assigns your sex at birth. This is supposed to be one of the best universities in America. They fucking know this. It then segs into the claim that there are more than two sexes, but this time focuses on biological considerations, citing a post by the organisation Intersex International, asserting at least 2% of people are born with some combination of male and female genitalia, hormones or chromosomes. And funnily enough, the Intersex International post that they've cited doesn't claim the existence of a third biological sex. It mainly focuses on the birth rate of intersex people. Transphobic misinformation is a form of systemic violence, the document goes on to state. Fixed binaries and biological essentialism manifest in gendered language. Misgendering someone and the policing of trans bodies threaten the lives of trans people. Wow, that's fucking moronic. I'm not going to spend any more time on this, I can feel it making me dumber. I just thought I'd point it out. There's a link to the full article in the description. Cheerio.